Yo guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Now this is a video on how to talk to strangers and how to do it effectively. So, my first tip, number one, is to always smile. Go into that conversation smiling. Even if you're just about to start it, smile, because it instantly starts the conversation before you've even said anything. Just by smiling gives off a relaxed vibe. It also shows the other person you're not a threat and they want to talk to you. My tip number two is to always have a good posture. You know, with your chest out, have a nice posture like this. So when you talk to people, you know, it's actually open body language. Like you're happy to talk to them. Also keep your hands out of your pockets, because when they're in your pockets, you know, it subconsciously shows that you're not really interested and you want to leave. You don't want to be like that. You want to have your hands out of your pocket, you want to be expressive, you want to show them that you're trustworthy, because that's another sign of showing your hands, that you're trustworthy. Yep, so, and the third tip is a real simple one, it's real easy. Just go up to someone and introduce yourself. Say, hi, how are you doing? Hi, my name is so-and-so. If you start and initiate the conversation, it shows that you are confident. It shows that you actually are nice and want to talk to them. And it actually means a lot more to someone than actually just standing there and not doing a lot. So, also, there's a new one. There's quite a nice tip that I can give here is about sparks. When you want a conversation to go well, and you're actually genuinely interested in what the person is saying, you would slightly raise your eyebrows. I know it sounds weird, but you'd smile, and you'd smile with the eyes. What does that mean? Lift your eyebrows just a little bit. Even if you're not interested in the conversation, you could try doing this and see if it works. Because subconsciously, if you're really interested in the conversation, you'd probably already be doing it. You'd also already be looking into their eyes. I would recommend, as in previous videos I've explained, that if you look to the eyes, it shows confidence, it shows you're actually listening as well as the eyebrow thing. So now, how do you end a conversation? Right, so the easiest way to end a conversation is literally you're like not sure, oh I kind of want to leave, you know, I'm bored, I need to do something else. The easiest way to end that conversation is by asking about a future tense. Oh, what are you doing next week? Or, oh, what do you have to do this afternoon? This would then shift the conversation into what they're actually thinking of doing next. And it also helps you to go, oh yeah, that sounds really cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this thing. I'll chat to you later. Alright, cool. And then you can also explain what you're doing later. And that will subtly end the conversation. That's quite a nice way to do it, and I'd recommend doing it that way. So, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a pleasure to talk to you all. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys. Peace out.